I did the head crack for those of you that didn't see that. He's so stupid. That needed to be on camera.
Oh.
Hi, welcome to Mama Debz.
What was that?
I don't know, should I just stand still?
Do it again. Start over. Okay, go.
Mama Debz Kitchen, episode 16. Today we are making a chocolate orange bundt cake. I'm doing the cake thing.
Is that right there?
Well,
I think you know what I'm no.
Orange juice?
I think you know.
Eggs? The bundt pan. Oh! My Pinot Grigio.
Mind you, we're filming at 11 a.m.
Or not. Okay, so in here I have a cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar that I creamed together. I'm going to slowly add in 4 eggs. So add them one at a time. Okay, so in here I have 2.5 cups, I believe it is, of flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of kosher salt. And I have here 1.25 cup, I think it is, of squeezed orange juice, and then I have orange zest here. So it says to alternate the flour and the orange juice in parts. So
Into the mixer.
into the mixer, yes. So I'm going to do it kind of. Okay. I made a mess though. A big mess. Okay. Excuse my mess. Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
Well, I gotta get this out of here. I'm gonna scrape down this mixer. I love it. And I know it's a big one, but I love it.
That's what she said.
I already sprayed this with, it's a spray that has flour in it. I love that spray. It's called like Baker's something.
Oh, Baker something. Great brand.
Look at this. Do you smell orange in there?
No.
No.
I guess I gotta lie to you.
What?
Gotta lie to you.
You could have lied from the show. And then this is going to go in the oven at 325. Hold on. Let me look and see how long it goes in there. For 50 to 55 minutes. I know, sorry.
Are you?
It's going to be a longer episode. Oh, now I can smell the
We're not
orange.
gonna film the oven for 55 minutes.
No, welcome back.
Yeah, no shit. What?
Because I can't put it in there.
Okay.
So, because episode 15's food is in there. The chicken parm is in there, so he blew my secret. I'm doing 2 shows today. Hence the wine.
Yeah, but this is so hard for you.
Okay, when we come back for this episode, we'll have the cake. I probably will have it frosted because I'm going to make up my own frosting and I'll write the recipe down because I like to make my own frosting. And remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm waiting for you to do
Oh,
this
it's so
crap. Hi, we're back. I am so happy. Bud cake redemption. Remember my first cake I put on here? My chocolate cake that spilled everywhere? Look at this bud cake. Oh my god, look at the drizzle, it's perfect, everything. So I just made my frosting. I made the frosting at first with orange and zest and everything in it, and Eric said, Mom, that's too much orange. So I just went old school and I made my frosting with milk, powdered sugar, a little vanilla, and cocoa. I'll put the recipe on the website. So Eric has to be my taster.
Again,
How big of a slice do you want?
I just want a tiny bite.
Like that?
I just want a bite, yeah. But the producer's too much of a pussy to try it.
Look at that, Eric. Look at that.
No, rest of that.
It's frosting.
It's frosting.
Yeah, call me it.
Give Mama a kiss.
You have chocolate on your chin.
You got a chip on your shoulder, bitch. Is it good?
Well, that's not a comedy show.
Can you taste the orange?
Mm-hmm.
Is it too much?
No.
No? And the frosting's better like that than the other frosting I made.
Oh my goodness.
It wouldn't. Yeah.
You said it was dry the first bite you had out of the bottom
It
of
would
it.
have been too much orange with orange frosting.
You guys gonna bang this cake again?
He said he wants a little piece. Wow, there you go. I'm so happy with this Bundt cake. Now you guys can really see that I can bake cakes from scratch. Look at the moistness in there. I'm sorry. Look.
Nothing like a moist
Do you
cake.
see that? Are you gonna have a piece?
Yeah, I'll have a piece.
Oh, boy. Thank you so much.
Where's the other beer at?
Beer. They gave me crap for drinking. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so happy with this cake. I'm gonna put it on my TikTok and everything. Is he making faces behind me again?
I'm looking for a beer.
There's beer right. Oh, that's Heineken. It's not alcohol.
It's supposed to be good.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, watch the press conference, clickbait, desert jams. What's the other one you do? The UFC one.
In the clinch.
In the clinch. You want more?
Maybe in a minute.
Okay.
Good night, America. No stealing.
See you next week. I don't know what I'm gonna make. I have no idea. No idea. Thank you for joining us.